So at this time, we'd like to introduce our two honorees. And I have no words to describe what these two individuals mean for this community center. That have been at every meeting, that have had every idea, that have had the wherewithal to make something like this rise in a neighborhood that was blighted. And those are Skippy Rousseau and Frank Capuana. The passion that they have shown, not only for this project, but before the original center was taken down by the tornado, has been awe-inspiring. And as they stand before us, they're unbelievably successful. Businessmen, family, fathers, so on and so forth. But this didn't happen by accident. This, years ago, when they were part of the 350 summer campers that would come to the old Southland Community Center, they had struggles. The stories that I have heard about some of the struggles that they went through, looking at them now is shocking. And they had help in building the skills necessary for them to change the trajectory of their families. And I think that's why they are so passionate about what they do here. Because those 350 kids that are entering our summer camp are the 6, 7, 8-year-old Frank Capuano and Skippy Rousseaus of today's generation. And if they can become half as successful as these individuals and change the trajectory of their lives, then Springfield will become a better place to live.